A jet of 200 diameter moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second impinges. Here impinges means strikes. Okay, impinges normally on a series of flat vanes mounted over a wheel. If the velocity of the vanes is 8 meters per second, find the force exerted by the jet on the wheel. And the second question is the work done by the jet on the wheel per second. Okay, so a jet of 200 diameter moving at a velocity of 200 meters per second. So first of all, let us note down the given data. Okay, now this problem is from impact of jets. Okay, so a jet of 200 diameter, so jet diameter or diameter of the jet diameter, small d is equal to, so here is given 200 and at a velocity of 20 meters per second. So velocity of jet, so denoted by capital V. Velocity of jet V is equals to 20 meters per second, and velocity of vanes is given. Velocity of vanes denoted by small u is equal to 8 meters per second. 8 meters per second. So let us discuss about jet of vanes. Here a jet of a jet 200 diameter moving at a velocity 20 meter per second. So there is a water jet. Let me draw a figure. So there is a water jet. So this water jet is moving with a velocity of v equal to 20 meter per second, and this jet of water strikes a series of vanes mounted on a wheel. Series of vanes, these are all vanes. I am just drawing a rough diagram. So these are all vanes. Okay, this is a wheel. So here vanes moving with a velocity 8 meter per second. So here jet of water, this jet strikes a series of vanes mounted on a wheel. So here we need to find the force exerted by the jet on the wheel. Okay, now so here jet has kinetic energy. So this jet exerts force on this series of vanes. So here the first question is the force exerted by the jet on the wheel. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ది ఫోర్స్ ఎగ్జర్టెడ్ బై ద జెట్ ఆన్ ద వీల్. సో ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక వాటర్ జెట్ అనేది ఒక వీల్ని స్ట్రైక్ చేస్తే, సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని స్ట్రైక్ చేస్తే జనరల్గా ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇది ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జర్ట్ సమ్ ఫోర్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ దట్ ఫోర్స్ ఎగ్జర్టెడ్ బై ది జెట్ ఆన్ ద వీల్. సో ఈ వీల్ మీద ఎంత ఫోర్స్ ఎగ్జర్ట్ చేసింది, ఓకేనా? సో ఎంత ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అయింది అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ది ఫోర్స్ ఎగ్జర్టెడ్ బై ద జెట్ ఆన్ ద వీల్ in case of series of vanes, so force exerted by the jet F is equals to rho AV into V minus U. So this is the formula for force exerted by jet on the wheel. So we have to use this formula. So F is equal to, here rho means density, A means area of the jet. So here what is the cross section area of the jet is circular cross section. So this is circular cross section. So rho into area of jet for what is the area of circle, pi by 4 into d square into velocity is already given into v minus u. Here capital V means velocity of jet and small u means velocity of vanes. Okay na? So F is equal to, here what is the density of water, rho means density of water how much, 1000 into pi by 4 into what is the diameter of jet is given, diameter 200 mm, convert 200 mm into meters. So 1 mm equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay. So anyhow, pi by 4 into d square into, so here velocity how much, velocity of jet 20 meter per second, and again velocity of 20 meter per second minus u means velocity of vanes 8 meter per second. F is equals to, so let us make simplification, 4 ones 4 5s, 1000 into pi into 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3, you will get 0.2 square into 20 minus 8, 5 into 20 minus 8, 12. F is equals to 1000 into pi into 0.2 whole square means 0.04, 5 12s are 60, and still F is equals to, let us use scientific calculator, then we can find the answer, final answer. 1000 into pi into 0.04 into 60. So you will get the force exerted by jet on wheel 7539.8 newtons, or approximately F is equals to 7.54 kilonewtons, approximately 7.54 kilonewtons. This is force exerted by jet on wheel. And next question is asking to find work done by the jet on the wheel per second. So we know that work done by the jet on the wheel per second is given by work done per second, W is equal to rho AV into V minus U into U. So actually formula for this is F into U. So work done by the jet on the wheel per second is equal to force exerted, okay na, by the jet on the wheel into velocity of the wheel, okay na. So this is the formula. So W is equal to, so F already we have 7539.8 into U, how much is given, 8 meters per second, so which is equals to 7539.8 into 8, so you will get 60318.57. so unit of force Newton and meter per second, Newton meter per second, okay na? So this much work done by the jet on wheel per second. So per second amount of work done by the jet on the wheel per second is 60,318.57 Newton meter joule per second. Newton meter means joule per second. Newton meter means joule per second. Okay.